All right, so let me go ahead and we're going to go ahead and get started. And this is going to be a little bit more challenging. I'm letting you know this now. It's going to be a little bit more challenging than it was yesterday. Okay, so you're going to be responsible for filling in some numbers if you need to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So if you take a look at this right here, notice I want to know what doubles four is. Now, for those of you who know what doubles four is, you may write in your answer. If you need help, use the hands, but notice I have some missing numbers. And so what you'll have to do here to figure out what some of these answers are, you need to fill out those missing numbers. And remember, since we're counting by two, you skip every other number. So two, skip. Four, skip. Six, skip. Eight, skip. 10, skip, and so on all the way to 20. So I'm taking a look here, and Julian, I don't know what you're doing, Julian. You've got some scribbly stuff going on. Do me a favor, just stick with the numbers, my friend, okay? And I see Zachary filling his in. Now, Zachary, if you notice, I'm sorry, Zachary. Great job. I was thinking doubles too. Yes, very nicely done, Zachary. Andres is already done, and you know what I like what you did, Andres. You did a really good job boxing your fingers, and you it doesn't look like you need to fill out the missing numbers because you already know how to count by two. My friend Andres T, you were right. You wrote two, then you wrote four and six. Now after six, Andres T. Oh, okay. I see you're fixing that. Okay. So go ahead and fix that. Um, Ivy, great job. I think what I'm going to do, boys and girls, is I'm going to share a couple, okay? And so for those of you who are a little bit behind, it's okay. We have like I think 6 slides or so, but I do want to show some really good mentor text. And I'm going to turn to, since I called Andres up first, Andres, if you don't mind, I'm going to share yours. So on the screen right now, you see Andres's work here. It's great. He boxed it. Notice he didn't have to write in his numbers. He already knows how to count by eight. So very nicely done, Andres. I'm going to go ahead and show Cecilia's. Cecilia used the same strategy as our friend Andres, as you can see on your screen right now. Good job with that. Let's see if we can find somebody who used a different strategy. Um, you know what? I'm going to use Andres T. He did a nice job filling it out. Andres T. All you have to do now, my friend, is you know what? I have to unshare. Oh no, that's right. That's right. Andres T. Now you have to do doubles four. All right. So all you have to do now is box your four fingers. Okay, the first four fingers, and tell me what you come up with. But good job there filling it out, boys and girls. This was pretty easy for you guys. Ernesto, same thing with you. All you have to do is write in your answer. Everybody else has submitted, and I'm looking at everybody else's. Lucas, you didn't quite get it. You said it was your.
Because you didn't share.
Oh, I'm sorry. Whose is this? That is I know that was Andres T. Sorry about that. Thank you for reminding me. I always have to remember that I have to unshare when I'm done. My friend Lucas, take another look at yours, my friend. Okay, you didn't quite fill in the fingers correctly. So look at two. What comes after two if you're counting by twos? You have two, skip, four, skip, six, skip, eight. All right, so you have the eight written. You have it written in the wrong place, but you do have the right answer. So if you would please go back and change yours or add to it. Okay. I'm still waiting for Mason to join us. Viviana has submitted. Wyatt, Abigail have submitted. Ernesto, Ian, Ivy have submitted. Andres F has submitted. Zachary, it looks like you're ready to submit. Julian, I love yours. Go ahead and submit yours, Julian. Same thing with Kaleo. Okay, Cecilia, Lucas, Mia, take another look at yours. Oh, it looks like you're correcting yours right now. Okay. So, Mia, it's doubles four. You have three of the fingers boxed out or circled. You want to do four fingers.
Mrs. was here this whole time.
All right. No, no. I see. I see that you've submitted. Thanks, Mason. All right, we're gonna continue in five, four, three, two, and one. Let's go to our next one. So, as a student, and if you're using the Draw It part of Nearpod, a student can interact with whatever the activity is. And here I'm filling out. I'm counting by twos. We're learning doubles, and so this is one way that I'm teaching the kids how to um, not only count by twos, but also to be able to add the same number, doubles like 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, all the way up to 10 plus 10. And they this is how they interact with the text. And while they're answering, okay, I am looking at my screen, which shows what each child is doing. And so I've got 23 kids, so I actually have 23 different views of the same slide or page on my screen as a teacher. And I control the lesson, so I can move forward or back. And as you can see here, I've gone to the next slide, and um, you can go forward and back, like I said. And when a student is finished, when they submit, that's one way that you can check for for work completion.